And the next part, what we'll do is we'll write the list of all the binomial coefficients we have seen right now. Okay. So starting with 0C1, we have 0C0. We have zero objects, zero select करना है एक तरीका होगा. Okay. If you're not understanding, कोई बात नहीं, you can skip this particular one level here. Okay. Next is 1C0 and 1C1. Okay. One object available है, zero select करना है एक तरीका होगा. One object available है, एक select करना है, वापस एक तरीका होगा. Right. So 1C0 is 1, 1C1 is 1. Right. Again, 2C0 is 1, 2C2 is 2C1 is 2, and 2C2 is 1. Right. 3C0 is 1, 3C1 is 3, 3C2 is 3, and 3C3 is 1, right? Okay, so what I'm doing is I will remove all the coefficients here and just write the values. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, right? Okay, so these are the variable coefficients you can observe. Okay, अब देखो अगला क्या होगा guys? We can write the 1 as such. Okay, इस 1 के बगल में कोई number नहीं है यहाँ पे, right? So 1 plus 0 will give you directly 1. Okay, now next step is add these two numbers. 1 plus 3 will give you 4. Okay, next step is add these two numbers. 3 plus 3 will give you 6. Okay, next step is add 3 plus 1, you'll get 4. Again, add 1 plus 0, you get 1. Okay, so you get the next row in this particular sequence. Okay, same way, is 1 के बगल में भी अब कुछ भी नहीं है, right? So 1 plus 0 is 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 plus 6 is 10, 4 plus 6 10, 4 plus 1 5, 1 plus 0 1. Same way, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, 5 plus 10 is 15, 10 plus 10 20, 10 plus 5 is 15, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, so you can visualize it as a triangle, and the triangle is called as the Pascal's triangle. So visualizing this as a proper triangle, you can see that there are numbers. Okay, and this particular triangle, it's a very amazing, superb kind of a triangle. Okay, there are many amazing properties here. We'll see them, okay, one by one, and it is called as the Pascal's triangle. Okay, so as you can observe, guys, देखो ये वाला line दिख रहा है. These are natural numbers, right? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, उसका अगला line, if you can see, 1 3 6 10 15. ये कुछ याद आ रहा है? Triangular numbers. We have seen this in sequence and series, right? Okay. अगले सीक्वेंस भी काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है गाइस. अगला सीक्वेंस बेसिकली इसे हम लोग कहते हैं टेट्राहेड्रल नंबर्स. ओके, यू कैन एनी टाइम गूगल इट आउट. इट्स नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ओके, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड टेट्राहेड्रल्स बना के उनके जितने वर्टाइसेस बन रहे हैं हर साइड पे उनको हम लोग ऐड करते हैं. ओके, तो ये नंबर्स मिलेंगे. अगले वाला होता है पेंटाटोप नंबर्स. ओके, and the last two are also basically simplex numbers. Okay, you can just google it mainly and you will get all the values. Okay, हमारे काम का बेसिकली क्या है, नेचुरल नंबर्स है हमेशा, right? And then triangular numbers तो हम देख ही चुके हैं, right? Okay, so these are the Pascals, these are the numbers, these are the entities forming the Pascal's triangle. Let's understand what is the application of this Pascal's triangle right now. Okay, so what we can do is we can find out the combination values, NCR values, using the Pascal's triangle. Okay, limitation is that जितना लंबा value चाहिए होगा आपको उतना लंबा का value बनाना पड़ेगा, इतना लंबा triangle आपको बनाना पड़ेगा, right? So right now I've drawn a very small part of the triangle, so I'll just plot some very small values. Okay, तो I'll show you what to do. This guys, effectively जब हमने इसको बनाया था, हमने binomial coefficient लेके बनाया था, right? Okay, so ये तो जीरो वाला पार्ट था, ये फर्स्ट वाला पार्ट 0 से 0, इसको completely भूल जाओ for time being. Okay, now you need to find the value of 3C2, right? Okay, तो 3 अगर यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है 3, right? Come to the third row, first, second and third. ये अपना third row हो गया. 3C2 चाहिए, right? So 2 plus 1 कर लो. Okay, अगला टर्म क्या हो जाएगा? 3. So 1 2 3. This is the required answer. You can see this is the value of 3C2. Okay, सेम वे 5C4 क्या हो जाएगा? ओके, इट शुड बी द फिफ्थ रो. ओके, ये वाला 1 भूल जाओ तो फिफ्थ रो क्या होगा? 1 2 3 4 5. दिस इज द फिफ्थ रो. 5C4 बोला है, राइट? तो ऐड 1 टू इट बिकॉज़ हमारा r 0 से शुरू होता है, राइट गाइस? तो ये हो गया r is equal to 0, ये हो गया r is to 1, r is equal to 2, r equals to 3, r equals to 4. That's the value 5C4, right? Same way 63 क्या हो जाएगा? सिक्स्थ रो, फोर्थ एलिमेंट, राइट? 20. That's the required answer. Okay, but nonetheless, just आपके information के लिए है, no need to apply it anywhere, no need to actually find the values using this triangle. It will be very cumbersome. Okay, what you can do is you can directly use the formula n factorial n minus r into r factorial, right? n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay, उससे भी कर सकते हैं हमेशा. So let's go on to the next part, guys. All right, guys. So we'll see one really interesting application of the Pascal's triangle right now. That is to calculate the compound interest. Okay, let's see how. Okay, the question is find the compound interest on a sum of rupees 5,000 invested at 20% per annum for a period of 2 years. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हमको 2 साल का पीरियड बोला है, right guys? So we look at we forget the first वाला element of the Pascal triangle as usual. 0 से 0 हम निकाल देते हैं, but that's of no use to us, right? इसको हम निकाल देते हैं 0 से 0. Okay, तो second row कौन सा हुआ? ये वाला हुआ, right? 1 2. Okay, so what we do is we know that the rate of interest is 20%. Okay, and the principal is 5,000, right? So ये 5,000 का principal we write it below 1. Okay, 5,000 आ गया. Okay, now next step is guys we take 20% of 5,000 जो कि होता है 1,000 के बराबर, right? And next step is we write this 1,000 beneath this 2. Okay, again we take 20% of 1,000 जो कि होता है 200, we write it beneath this 1. Okay, नाउ वेरी सिंपल, अगला स्टेप क्या करना है, इस 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है 1000 से, इस 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है 200 से, ओके, एंड जस्ट ऐड दीस टू टर्म्स, यू गेट योर कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, राइट? ओके, अगर ये पूछता फाइंड द सम, ओके, व्हाट विल एन अमाउंट ऑफ 5000 बिकम एट 20% आफ्टर 2 years, ओके, तो हम ये भी ऐड कर देंगे 5000, okay, and you will get the answer very simply. All right, guys, so with that we go on to the next question, and next question basically they're asking you, uh, find the compound interest on a sum of rupees 10,000 invested at 6% per annum for a period of 3 years. Okay, exact same procedure, guys. We draw the Pascal's triangle. Period of 3 years बोला है, right? तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, थर्ड रो को रिफर करेंगे, 1331 of the coefficients we need, right? And the interest is 6% over here, right? And the principal is 10,000. Again, same procedure, right? 10,000 below this one, right? So writing 10,000 below this one, okay. Now we calculate 6% of 10,000, वो हो जाएगा 600, वो आएगा इस 3 के नीचे, right? Again take 6% of 600 जो कि होगा 36, वो आएगा इस 3 के नीचे, you can see it here. And last is calculate 6% of 36 जो कि होगा 2.16, ये आएगा इसमें 1 के नीचे, right? Now again, okay, multiply 3 with 600, this 3 with 36 and 1 with 2.16 and add them, तो ये मिलेगा 1800, 108 और 2.16, the answer is 1910.16, as simple as that.